All right, S3 inventory. So here you have an S3 bucket with objects inside, and you want to know what is happening with these objects, what kind of objects you have, and so on. So what you can do is you can schedule inventory reports. These reports are scheduled, and they can either be daily or weekly. And the report, what it will contain is information about objects, and you can filter which objects it is reporting on by the prefix of these objects. And you can specify what metadata you want included, such as size, last modified date, encryption status, storage class, and more. The reports are generated in either CSV, Oracle, Parquet format. And in terms of encryption key, you can select one, or you can just use the default of the bucket where you will be putting these reports. So you do need to specify a bucket where these reports will be going. And once the report is generated, you can connect to it and analyze it with Athena. You can always, of course, download it, or you can analyze it in AWS with Athena or Redshift Spectrum. And one other thing important to keep in mind for your exam is that inventory reports are created for objects in a single bucket. You cannot create a report that reports on objects in multiple buckets at the same time. You would have to create separate reports for that. So here's a quick summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.